Good afternoon everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. An update on the Oasis network and Rose. Wanted to give you an update on that. We'll take a look at, mainly the technicals, because the technicals I think at this point of time are very interesting to say the least. We just had quite a big bullish breakout actually, with the bullish momentum that already started during the night, at least for me. It depends on your time zone, of course. But yeah, we continued the bullish momentum, broke above our main resistance between 6 and 6.1 cents. And now we actually have the potential to rally up even higher. And it looks like we're getting into some sort of an uptrend. So I wanted to give you my thoughts on that. And just in general, take a thorough look at Rose. Rose has been getting some more love lately from crypto Twitter and stuff. So yeah, it's been doing pretty good. It's a good project altogether. Long term, it's good. The market cap is already a bit high to my liking, at least, but still, that doesn't make it less good, and that doesn't mean that it does not have potential. But alright, before we dive into the rest of Oasis Network and Rose, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join my trading signal group. So check that out if you're interested in that. But now onto Oasis Network. So I quickly wanted to check out the total value locked, which is basically it's an indicator of strength. And right now, I mean, I never really know with the TVL what it's doing. I mean, right now the TVL of Rose is very low. I'm not sure if everything is in that TVL. It doesn't look like it. Like Auto Farm and Beefy are not in there. But apart from that, I mean, yeah, the DeFi ecosystem on Oasis is not that big, but still it serves some other purposes. It's a great privacy layer, and it focuses on that, which creates altogether just new potential. But what you can see right now in terms of the technicals is that, first of all, the ADX, which is kind of my indicator to gauge whether we are in a trend or not necessarily an uptrend or a downtrend, but just in general trending, is getting above my threshold, which is 20. So we're actually starting to get into some sort of a trend, which we haven't been in since the 20th of March. The big thing though is, I think, is this level right here between 6.1 and 6 cents, or more specifically even 6.17 cents and 6.1 cents, because we're testing it right now. What we need to do is we need to stay on top of that. So at least at the very least stay on top of 6.05. If we can do that, if we can actually stay on top of that for the next, like, I would say 24 hours, yeah, until tomorrow, then I think we can also continue going up to this resistance level at 6.5 and 6.6 cents, which is a strong key level. It's not the strongest technically seen, but I do think we'll find resistance there. But I think we can get up there. It does depend on Bitcoin as well. I mean, Bitcoin right now, as you can see, I was just looking at it on the 15-minute time frame, but as you can see right now, it's not struggling. It's pretty bullish, but it's struggling with getting higher, and it's at resistance. So if Bitcoin drops down now, then that probably is going to mean that Rose is not going to be able to hold that as a support. That will drop down lower, below 6 cents. And if that happens, so that's kind of the threshold. If we drop down below 6 cents, we're probably going to drop down lower towards 5.8 and 5.7, and from there I do think we'll find support, and that will test 6.1 again. But whether we can actually get into some sort of an uptrend from there, which is kind of what we're aiming for, that's a different question, I think. So I'll keep you updated on it, of course, but for now this is kind of my analysis and my different scenarios for Rose. So thank you for watching, take care today, and bye.